Hi guys, time for another the BEANO Vintage Collection paper plane kit. Number 15 is the one today. So put that to one side. We've got the instructions, 14, 15. That looks fairly straightforward, just got a slightly funny shaped nose. Let's have a look at the cartoon first. Biffo the bear. Never quite understood the significance of Biffo the bear. Okay, right, it's already folded up the middle. So next, fold the corners in. And fold this way, but you can't actually see the fold line. Okay, and fold it that way. Down that line there. And fold down the wings. And fold up the tips. There we are, done. Okay, we'll see if it flies. Summary time? Well, to be honest, I didn't like it at all. I really struggled to get any sort of decent flights out of it. No doubt I didn't get it folded quite right or something like that, but I mean, it looks interesting. You see, I've even tried adding a paper clip in various positions, trying to change the centre of gravity. But it just seems too loose and floppy. You have to throw it very gently, otherwise it deforms as you throw it. So, yeah, I can't give that one anything like 10 out of 10. 2 out of 10. It's probably closer to it. Disappointing. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.